World's smallest and rarest wildcat. Meet the cod, the tiniest wildcat in the Americas, weighing between 4 and 7 pounds and measuring between 37 and 51 centimeters in length. These elusive felines are truly fascinating. Also known as guiña, codcods are native to south-central Chile, with smaller populations in Argentina and Chiloé Island. Their distinctive coats, adorned with dark spots on a reddish-brown background, help them blend into their forest habitats. However, the cod faces significant threats to its survival: habitat loss, fragmentation, agricultural expansion, and competition with introduced predators all endanger their populations.